softly framed in shades of light, whispers dancing through the night. Colors bloom where silence stays. Your painted soul takes me away. Every line, every touch feels alive. Captured moments never say goodbye. In this gallery of dreams, we are portraits in between. Time stands still, the world fades slow, where the brush and love both flow. Golden hues caress your face, gentle smiles of fleeting grace. Every glance a masterpiece, a quiet world where I find peace. Every line, every piece, every world where I find peace. Every line, every touch feels alive. Captured moments